Komachielo bende eni Alfred Cheriot pod en jaloch e ng'we mag Ron Antelope half marathon ma higani mabende obagi e kar kano lee ma Ruma National Park e kaunti ma Homa Bay. Jang'wechno mawuok e kaunti mar Elgeyo Marakwet noloyo jong'wech mohewo 100 mabende ne nitiere piemno mageto reso ngima omoro kata Ron Antelope. Ma en okang' mar ariyo ma Cheriot obedo jaloch e ng'wego mag kilomita 21 tok ne loyo ng'wego e higa mar 2023. Koloso ko jofwambo, Cheriot wacho ni ne obedo jaloch kalure gi tiegruok makare mabende osebedo kotimo kinde ka kinde. Alex Ngeyuo mabende wuok e kaunti ma Bungoma ne okawo namba 2. Frederick Domongole mabende wuok e kaunti ma West Pokot ne obedo namba 3 ka Nancy Cherop to ne obedo jaloch e kidieny mar Wakini. Jaloch ne oyudo shillings 250. Namba 2 no oyudo shillings 100 ka namba 3 to ne oyudo shillings 75.
Leo ilikuwa kali sana. Competition ilikuwa juu sana kuliko last year. So natoka Elgeyo Marakwet. My message ni kutrain zaidi. Hii ndio inanipa moral ile ya juu kabisa. Kujiamini naweza. Nilianza nikiwa shule ya upili. Darasa la 4. Mwezi wa 4 nilikuwa Madrid, nilikuwa namba 4. Paringetu nilishinda tena.
Nimekuwa na changamoto mingi sana. Kwanza kwa milima huko tumekutana na mama hawe. Nashukuru Mungu ametuchunga naweza kumaliza mzuri. Narudishia Mungu shukrani. Niliona wenzangu wanakimbia na wana participate mzuri. Mimi pia nikaamua nikasema acha nianze mazoezi.
Siku ya leo nataka nishukuru Mungu kwa kutuwezesha kuona siku ya leo. Bia ya leo haijakuwa mbaya, imekuwa mzuri. Kwa siku ya leo ni ya kwanza kukimbia E21 na kimbianga track and field 1500 na 5000.
Ng'wego baga kod kaunti ma Homa Bay komako rekod kar rito lee mag bunge kata Kenya Wildlife Service. Jatend migawo mar limbe Rebecca Miano, gavana mar kaunti ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga kod director mar kar rito lee mag bunge Erastus Kanga ne otelo ne ng'wego odiochieng' ma kawuono. Miano wacho ni ng'wego dhi konyo ting'o malo kwan mar Ron Antelopes e kar rito lee mag bunge ma Ruma National Park kowuok e kwan mantiere masani gena 27.
It is a very, very fulfilling run, running with the Rowan for a good cause. It was a tough run, but we are happy that we have finished. My experience was epic. I better be here than be in Nairobi. My message to the nation, let us run. It is a cause for unity. It is a celebration of our heritage, and we are the home of champions. Everyone is a champion.
Gavana Wanga wacho ni ng'wego geto ting'o malo chenro mag limbe kaunti ma Homa Bay kod rito ngima Ron Antelope.
We are running for conservation, but we're also running for tourism. We want to up the numbers of people coming to the Ruma National Park, but also experiencing Homa Bay generally, because we have over 16 islands of Lake Victoria that can be visited. We have a national park, you know. We have that dual experience that many counties do not have, and our country is open for tourism, and it is beautiful from end to end, you know. Whether you're in the Mara or whether you're in Lamu or whether you're here in Homa Bay, it is an experience of a lifetime. So we want to ask visitors outside the country, but also in the country, tutembee Kenya, magical Kenya, tutembee magical Kenya.
Pinyo wacho mar kaunti